just like the rest of all the guys. I ran across this one who thought she was so very wise. She liked my car and money too, but never would she wed, 'cause she was only using me. So this is what I said: just because you think you're so pretty, and baby, just because you think you're so hot, just because you think you got something that nobody else has, no one else has got, and then you cause me to spend all my money. You laugh, call me old Santa Claus. Well, I'm telling you, baby, I'm through with you, because, just because, and now I'll shine away my bluesies. I'm gonna shine, start with my shoesies. I'll shine each place up, make it look like new. Shine my face up, wear a smile or two, and shine my these and thosies. I know that I'll find that everything will turn out fine. Folks will shine up to me, everyone will howdy-do me. I'll make the whole world shine, shine, shine. The girl I'm dating now, you see, is interested in only me. Just because I make the whole world shine, 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 fine. Now my girl is really mine. We'll make the whole world shine. You smiled when we parted, it hurt me somehow. I thought there was nothing worthwhile. The tables are turning and you're crying now, while I'm just now learning to smile. Who's sorry now? Who's sorry now? Whose heart is aching for breaking each vow? And who's sad and blue and crying too, just like I cried over you, right to the end, and just like a friend, I tried to warn you somehow. You had your way, so now you must pay. And I'm glad that you're sorry now, 'cause it was right to the end, just like a friend. I tried to warn you somehow. You know that you had your way, but now we're through and you must pay. 'Cause I'm through with just giving. I'm gonna start living. I'll bet that you're sorry.